Hello everyone. Good evening. Has everyone arrived?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Shall we start? Have we good to go? Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So we have to do some miscellaneous on binomial theorem, right? All right. So let us start with question one. Can you expand this? Can you expand this? Try to solve this. You know the basics now. Is there any doubt with the basics? Is there any doubt with the basics?
No, sir.
All right. So do this quickly. Do it fast. Is anyone near the result or shall I do it? At least answer. How would I get it?
Almost done.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Done, sir.
What's your answer?
Sir. 10406040.
Yeah, this is correct. Everybody got this? Yes or no? So according to binomial expansion, you can write it like 100 plus 1 to the power 4. Okay. And then what you have to do? You have to complete the expansion. So it will start with 4C0.
Into 100 power 4
Good.
plus
Plus
4C1 into 100 cube into 1.
plus 4C2 into 100 square into 1 square, I guess. Plus 4C.
4C1 into 100 into 1 cube.
4C3 na. 4C3 into 100, 1 into 1 cube, and then 4C4 into 100 to the power 0, or you can write anything, nothing, into 1 to the power 4. Okay. What is the combination? What is NCR? What do you mean by NCR? Tell me. What do you mean by NCR? Am I not audible?
Yes.
So 4C, whatever NCR it is, what do you mean by NCR? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So from there you can expand this, you'll be getting that answer. Okay? So that is how you get it. Next question. Next question says that find the 10th term. Find the 10th term in the expansion of 2x square plus 1 by x to the power 12. Find the 10th term. Do it. Did you get the answer? Shall I do it? Yeah, Tanushi, you're too low to be audible. Please be allowed.
Sir, I'm stuck in stuck.
Pardon? You can type your comment also.
Sir, can you do this one?
You're not audible actually. Okay, Vandana, are you done?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, do it fast. Okay, see here, I'm doing it. So we need to find the 10th term. So basic formula is the TR plus 1 is equals to 12 CR. Okay, and that is to be multiplied the first term 2x square by 12 minus R. Okay, into the second term 1 by x to the power R. Okay, this is how we'll be doing it. So we need to find the 10th term, right? So if we need to find the 10th term, so we can write it like T 9 plus 1. So here R will become 9. We just need to put the values 12 into C into 9 into 2x square to the power 12 minus 9 into 1 by x to the power 9. If you solve it, it will be 12 factorial by 9 factorial into 12 minus 9 factorial into 2x square to the power 3 minus 1 by x to the power 9. Okay. Now, so this would be around, sorry, this is not minus here. This is multiplication. So this will be 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 and so on by 9 into and so on. And here 3 into 2 into 1. So this will get cancelled. 3 will be cancelling 3 4s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. So this will be 220. This is a mistake. 12 by 3. 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here one more. 2 cube 8 will be there into x to the power 6 by x to the power 9. Okay. So 220 into 8 by x to the power 3. So it will be 1760 by x to the power 3. Understood, everyone? Everyone, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is how we have to do it. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. 1 minute. Okay. Next question says that sigma r is equals to 0 to n of NCR into 3 to the power r is, I'm giving you 4 options. 3 to the power n, 4 to the power n, 5 to the power n, 6 to the power n. You need to find which one is correct. Which one is correct?
Sir, 4 bar answer.
4 power n. That's correct. Good. How? So let us see it. Basically, NCR from r is equals to 0 to n will be what? So NC 0 into 3 to the power 0. Okay. Plus NC 1 into 3 to the power 1 plus NC 2 3 to the power 2. Isn't it? And so on. Agree, everyone? So isn't this the expansion of 1 plus 3 to the power n? Everyone agree or not?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that will be 4 to the power n. Easy. Okay. Next question. Next question. Write the general, write the general term in the expansion of x square minus y to the power 6. Do it. Did you get it? Tanushree, which term were you talking about? Can you type it again? I did not see that chat. Anybody got this answer? This is easy. So you explained that sum. Okay, that's done now. You got it? Okay, okay, good. Shall I give this answer? General term, TR plus 1. This is what you have to write. Nobody with the answer? Okay, so it will be minus 1 to the power r, okay, into 6 CR, right, into x, the first term, into x to the power 12 minus 2r, into the second term, y to the power r. Understood? This was easy. Okay, let us move on to the next question. This was easy. You could have done this. Okay. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of x minus 1 by x square whole to the power 3n. Solve this. Do it fast.
Sir.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, sir. Minus 1 power r 3n
Uh,
cr
hmm.
in r power 3n minus 3r. X power 3n minus 3r.
Minus 1 power, it will be n because r here is n only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then c 3n n. Understood? You just
Yes.
replace r with n. Everyone got it? See how do we have to do it? So basically tr plus 1 is what? Minus 1 to the power r. Then 3n cr x to the power 3n minus r. Okay. And into 1 by x square to the power r. Agree everyone?
Yes,
So if you
sir.
solve it, what would you get? Minus 1 to the power r. Then cr 3n x to the power 3n minus 3r. Okay. Now you need to get the term independent of x. So 3n minus 3r should be 0 because this is what independent of x. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
You know how do we get that? Okay, I'll expand it. So it is x to the power 3n minus r, and this is x to the power minus 2r. So if you add them, you'll get x to the power 3n minus r minus 2r. So this will what you'll be getting x to the power 3n minus 3r. Understood? So this is how we have to do this. So this will be x to the power 3n minus 3r. So this should be 0 independent of x. So n should be equals to r. Now understood? You just put n is equals to r and then you'll get this. So it will be minus 1 to the power n, then 3n cn. Next, you solve for the same question. Same question you solve for 3x minus 2 by x square to the power 15. Same question. Find term independent of x. Is it done? Is it done? Shall I solve it? Anybody with the answer? It's the same way you have to do. Minus 1 to the power r, then should be, what was it initially? 3n, okay. So it should be 15 CR, and then the second term, so the first term is 3x to the power 15 minus r, and then the second term, that is 2 by x square to the power r. Okay, then you have to solve this. How would you solve this? See, again, I'm copying this. 1 minute. Control C, and here Control V. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Now see here. So basically, we have to combine this at one place. So minus 1 to the power r, 15 CR. So 3 to the power 15 minus r. I'm taking this and this 2 to the power r. I just need this x term because that should be independent. So x to the power 15 minus r, and this is into x to the power minus 2r. So these two will get added up. The power will get added up because the base is same, into 15 CR, 3 to the power 15 minus r, 2 to the power r, and here it will be x to the power 15 minus of 3r, minus of r plus minus of 2r. So this 15 minus of 3r should be equals to 0. That means 15 is equals to 3r, r is equals to 5. If you put r is equals to 5 in this equation, so you'll get the general term as, what would you get? In this case, you'll be getting minus 3003 into 3 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 5. This is what you would get. Understood or not? Everybody? Please tell me. Say yes or no at least.
Yes.
Vandana, did you understand? Yeah,
Yes.
that's fine. That's fine. All right. Next question. Next question. Find the coefficient of x to the power n in expansion of 1 plus x times 1 minus x to the power n. 1 minus x to the power n. Understood? Try to solve this. Okay. Did we get the answer? Again, the same thing. TR plus 1 is equals to what is TR plus 1? NCR a to the power n minus r b to the power r. So coefficient of T4, 1 minute. So this thing in 1 minus x to the power n will be what? Minus 1 to the power r plus 1 NCR into x to the power r. So if you multiply this 1 plus x times this minus 1 to the power r plus 1 NCR x to the power r, what would you get? So if you expand this, or basically if I go with that way, expansion of the second term, 1 minus NC1x plus minus 1 to the power n into NC n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 and so on. So x to the power n term will come as minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into NCn plus minus 1 to the power n into NC n minus 1. Okay, so if you solve it again, NCn is 1 only. So minus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power n into n. So it will be minus 1 to the power n into n minus 1. This is what you would get. Okay, one thing before this, try to solve this one. Try to solve this one. In expansion of a plus b to the power n, fourth term, coefficient of fourth term is equals to coefficient of 12th term. Fourth term is equals to coefficient of, okay, 13th term, not 12th term. 13th term. Okay, 13th term. You have to find the value of n. Find value of n. This one is easy. Try to solve it quickly.
Sir,
Yeah. Did you get the answer?
yes, sir. Is it
What is the value
15?
of n? Yeah,
15.
15 is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer. Good. 15 is the correct answer. Next question. Next question. Find the positive value of m so that coefficient of x square in 1 plus x to the power m is 6. Do it. It's easy. Did you get this?
Yes,
Easy. See, what is the answer?
4.
4. Very good. That's correct. M is equals to 4. How you got it? Let's solve this. So 1 plus x to the power m, if you expand this, how would you get it? So mc0 plus mc1x plus mc1x plus mc2x square. 1 minute. Some problem is there, I guess. Plus mc1x plus mc2x square and so on. So basically mc2 is what? Is 6. Okay, that is the coefficient of x square. So m into m minus 1 is by 2 factorial is 6. So from there you can calculate m is equals to 4, because from here you'll get an equation m square minus m minus 12 is equals to 0. From there you'll get 4 and minus 3. So minus 3 is to be excluded because we need to find a non-negative number, that is 4 only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Okay, try to solve more questions, because I think you need some of you are solving questions, but you need time practice so that you can solve it faster. Okay, all right then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.